I want to talk to you about desire. I want to talk about desire and the role it plays in your business. Not the role that desire plays inside your business, that's your business. I want to talk about the role desire plays in your marketing. I want to talk about desire as a copywriter because copywriting can't sell somebody something they don't already desire on some level. The art of copywriting is about taking your prospects' hopes, dreams, fears, and desires, then focusing them on your product or service. That means you have to know what those underlying forces are, and that takes some careful profiling, because your customers are unlikely to tell you their innermost drivers. No one walks into a car dealership and asks which model will make them look most successful, let alone which one will make them look most virile. But no one spends $120,000 or more on a car because a Mazda wouldn't hold the road well enough on the way to Woolies. Because desires are unspoken, you can't call them out directly in your copywriting. What you do is speak to them in your tone, your examples, your choice of words. A couple of levels up from Uber X is Uber Select, not Uber you'll feel better about yourself than you would in the back of a Yaris. That choice of select is subtle, but it speaks so powerfully to the sort of person who'll pay extra to get from A to B because of what the car says about them. Do they see themselves as a thrifty Uber X person or as a select sort of person? So do you think the copywriting you're using for your sales takes into account those underlying desires? If it doesn't, it should. If you found this helpful, make sure you follow, subscribe, or connect for weekly tips.